The 2026 Mazda CX-30 has always been a compact crossover with a reputation for balancing style, driving fun, and practicality. But today we're not just looking at the standard model. What we have here is a modified version that takes everything people love about the CX-30 and adds a layer of personality, performance, and uniqueness. This isn't your average small SUV. This is a Mazda that's been fine-tuned to turn heads, to hug the road a little tighter, and to show how versatile this platform really is when it comes to modifications. At first glance, the exterior makes a strong impression. Mazda's Kodo design language already gives the CX-30 flowing, elegant lines, but with the modifications, it looks more aggressive and planted. The front fascia has been upgraded with a custom grille insert and a lower lip spoiler that instantly makes the crossover look more athletic. The headlights are slightly tinted, adding to the stealthy character, while the custom 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires complete the stance. A lowered suspension drops the ride height just enough to give it a sporty, track-ready posture without sacrificing too much comfort. Around back, the aftermarket exhaust with dual tips peeking out beneath a subtle diffuser hints at more than just visual upgrades. It promises a different driving experience. Slide inside and the modifications continue. The CX-30's cabin has always been praised for its near-luxury design, with premium materials and a driver-focused layout, but here it feels even more special. Custom bucket seats with Alcantara inserts hold you snugly in place, while red stitching throughout the interior adds a sporty contrast to the otherwise clean and minimalist design. A flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in perforated leather instantly feels more performance-oriented, and the upgraded digital gauge cluster now features custom graphics. Even the ambient lighting has been tuned to a deep, moody glow that matches the personality of this build. But the real fun starts under the hood. The standard CX-30 comes with either a naturally aspirated engine or the turbocharged 2.5-liter that already offers plenty of punch. But this modified version has taken the turbocharged option and given it a little more breathing room. Thanks to a remapped ECU, a high-flow intake, and a sport exhaust system, power has been bumped up to around 300 horsepower, which is a significant jump from stock. That extra boost of power completely transforms the way this crossover drives. The throttle response is sharper, acceleration feels more urgent, and the engine note has a deeper, throatier growl that puts a grin on your face every time you press the pedal. Handling has also been enhanced. The lowered suspension is paired with upgraded coilovers that reduce body roll and keep the CX-30 composed even when you push it through tight corners. The steering remains precise and communicative, just as Mazda intended. But now with the added stiffness, it feels more like a hot hatchback than a small SUV. Braking power has also been improved with a big brake kit, featuring drilled rotors and red painted calipers that not only stop the car confidently, but also add a touch of visual flair behind the wheels. Despite these modifications, the CX-30 hasn't lost its practicality. The rear seats still fold down to offer plenty of cargo space. The infotainment system remains easy to use with its rotary controller, and you still get all the advanced driver assistance features that make it safe and comfortable for everyday use. What's great about this build is that it strikes a balance. It gives you a performance edge without stripping away the usability that makes the CX-30 such a popular choice. On the road, the experience is addictive. Around town, it feels sharp and responsive, yet refined enough that you don't mind sitting in traffic or cruising on the highway. Open it up on a twisty back road, and that extra horsepower combined with the suspension upgrades really shines. It feels eager, agile, and engaging in a way few crossovers do, and that's exactly the point of a modification like this, to take something already good and tailor it to deliver more excitement. For enthusiasts, the 2026 modified Mazda CX-30 shows just how much potential this platform has. It proves that crossovers don't have to be bland or predictable. With the right upgrades, they can be stylish, fast, and fun without compromising too much on comfort or daily practicality. Mazda has always been about zoom, and this build feels like the perfect modern interpretation of that philosophy. It's sporty without being excessive, functional without being boring, and stylish without being over the top. In the end, this modified Mazda CX-30 is the kind of crossover that appeals to both the heart and the mind. It's practical enough for grocery runs and commutes, but exciting enough to make you want to take the long way home. If you're someone who wants a vehicle that stands out from the crowd, delivers a bit more thrill behind the wheel, and still works as an everyday driver, this build proves that the CX-30 is more than capable of fitting that role. It's not just another crossover, it's a statement. And for 2026, that statement is loud, clear, and undeniably fun.